Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a admission notification. So it is from Indian Institute of Tourism and Management. So here the institute is under Ministry of Tourism. So the campuses are in various places like Gwalior, Noida, Nellore, Goa and then Bhubaneswar. So admission to these courses like they are offering BBA and in tourism and management as well as MBA in tourism and management. So the two courses, if you want to get admission, then you have to write an entrance examination. So it has been conducted by Indian Institute of Tourism and Management as well as IGNTU. So collaboratively they are conducting it. So in the description box I will give the link so that you can apply through online. Before that, let us see the eligibility. So those who have completed 12th standard are writing the examination. They are eligible to apply for the entrance examination. So the minimum percentage of mark is needed is 50% only. So for the similar like MBA, any degree with 50 percentage, they are eligible to write the entrance examination. So all the best for you all. That if you need to get more admission notification, that please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel, and then please do share to your friends and click the bell icon so that you will get all the updates instantly. Thank you.